Recording sound with Neo is a good feature, but it's challenging since it's not synchronized with the video. I have tried several methods to get the sound synchronized and found out that I cannot use a phone because even though the Neo or the Fly app is set not to record, it hijacks the telephone recording, so I don't get any recording from the phone. So the only viable option I found was that I record the same thing more or less with the Action 4. I synchronize the video and then I synchronize the audio with the audio from the Action 4. What you will see is how I synchronize. This is the sound from the Action 4 camera with the mic mini connected to the Action 4. I now started recording and I will take off. And I'm recording via the telephone, which is connected via a mic mini with the noise reduction on. This is the sound recorded onto the Neo via mic mini connected to my telephone. And as you see, the Neo has a very strong noise reduction, or actually via the Fly app, that is. You do not get any sound from the Neo at all. So I hope that sometimes DJI will be able to do a synchronization of these rather than having them unsynced, because it's very difficult to sync them if you just have the sound and the video. Let's get the same height as the action camera and then go a little back so we're online or inline. And what I will test now is to see the synchronization and the audio quality. So I'm just doing very slow now to make it easier to synchronize. And then the noise. This is a short clip showing how the audio is compared to the video without any synchronization, other than just putting the start of the audio at the start of the video. That's good. And what I will test now is to see the synchronization on the volume and the audio quality. So I'm just doing very slow now to make it easier to synchronize. And then the noise.